Killed it. Like when I was in school, in college, I used to be a tutor, right? Tutoring in chemistry. I tutored the hell out of girls because, man, women always are looking for ways to be in a man's presence for plausible deniability. Say that again. Women are always looking for plausible deniability to be in your presence. If you just saying, hey, I'd love to shoot you someday. I love this. There's this cool spot in town. You'd be great for this photo concept I have. That lowers women's guards down and gets into their vanity. I'm getting excited about this because it's so true, man. I'm telling you. Pick up a hobby. Photography is a great hobby to pick up and watch how it works. Photography and even photography and videography. Because you can actually show them the product right then. Now, here's the trick. You need to know how to shoot, man. You need to know how to do some basic shots. You need to know some industry terms. What kind of shooter are you? I'm a DSLR. I'm a full frame. All right, pick your camera. I'm a Canon. I'm a Sony. Not many Nikon people don't. But if you mess like video, if you guys trying to go get like a red digital camera, too expensive. But trust, and if you learn how to do a quick video edit, can you imagine how many of these little Instagram chicks would love to see you shoot some cool pictures of them, throw a quick color grade on there, throw a quick LUT. Well, I learned that too. Throw a quick LUT on it, and they were like, oh, that look cool. It ain't even fair. It ain't even fair that y'all can get out here and do this, man. And you can use the camera to vlog, to make your own videos. Trust me, dude, a cool hobby will do so much for you. Hell, leave it on your own Suit Saturdays. Pull out the camera, just shoot yourself. You get a camera, you get your little tripod, get your little rinky-dink microphone, boom, you're ready to go. Trust your Godfather. Trust you, especially since I moved here to Atlanta. Walking around with my camera and my gear has been insane, freaking sane. And I'm on this side of the camera. You just got them sit up there like moving, and they tooting it back. Fellas, trust me. Cool hobbies for the win. Peace.